Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secrets channel. In this video, I want to talk about why you should you should go for recurring commission based affiliate programs and why it is important in your business. Everything I'll cover in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin with freedomlifesecrets.com, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel and email marketing, etc. If you're interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So in this video, in the previous video, I made a video on high ticket affiliate marketing and why you should go for high ticket programs. Like in order to add to that high ticket offers, like if you add a program that has recurring commissions as well, like it will be cherry on the cake, as I would say, because recurring commissions are like not like if you're experienced affiliate marketer, or if you are just getting started, I want to tell you, like, you can add this recurring commission programs in your list and just try it out, because you will see massive amount of stability in your business. Why I'm telling about this? Let's say you are promoting a product that generates about $100 per sale or maybe $50 per sale, and it's one-time payment. What happens with this is, like, for every 30 days, like let's say you generated about $1,000 or maybe $10,000, you generated so and so amount of the money. But what happens in the next month, again you will have to go and find for new customers, and because everybody in the world like lives a lifestyle where we have to pay our rent, EMIs, and all other insurance and every other stuff like that comes on a month as a monthly bill, and the money can't stop pumping into your business, and you don't want to go on searching for new customers every single month. Even if you consider any biggest brands in the world like Netflix, like they create a massive, very valuable product market, and they make it subscription based. All they need to do is just bring in more people into their subscription model, and as long as the person is active, they're gonna keep on making that money. And I'm sure, like, as you must say, like, everybody is not gonna stay active forever, but however you will keep on bringing that new people into your system back again, and that's how you make a lot of money. And it's kind of gives you a very stability, because you will always feel you are growing, and with this stability, like, you can invest this money back into your system and you can bring more customers. One of the example, like, if you want to consider recurring commission programs is, like, if you want to choose for example, let's say you're selling a product of $10 and you're spending $10 on ads. In order to bring, you need to figure out a way in order to break in your first customer. Let's say you're as I told, like, let's say you're selling a $10 product, which is a monthly subscription based program, and let's say you spend $10 to get that one customer, and now for this month you didn't make any profit because you spent $10 and you got the $10 commission from your first month customer. You broke even, and once that is done, the person is going to keep on paying for the next coming months, and that's how you make that profit. And I just spoke about one customer. It can happen with multiple number of customers. So as long as you keep bringing people into your model, like, you're gonna keep stacking up the money. And also, like, all the people are not going to stay, but you will let's say you generated $1,000 in a month. Let's say you took $500 out of that $1,000. You invested back into your system in paid advertisement. You're reaching more people, you're reaching more impressions, more leads, and more sales, and you bring in more new customers back into your system who are gonna pay in a monthly basis. And that's how you make the big chunks of money, and that's how you scale your business to exponentially. And as I explained in my previous video, combination of both high ticket and recurring commissions is the best model that you can go for. I'm not saying like other programs one-time commissions, because even I have promoted products for one-time commission. But however, if you start making this recurring commissions as your number one priority, you will see massive results and massive stability and scalability in your business. And maybe you may ask, like, what are the different programs that I can promote? I usually promote the products that I personally use. One of them is Clickfunnels, which comes up with a recurring commission, and I had used Getresponse previously, and now I'm using ActiveCampaign. These are the email autoresponders. they both come up with I mean, recurring commission programs, because these are the softwares that people require in the industry. For example, if anybody wants to build a sales funnel, he needs that ClickFunnels software, and ClickFunnels is the number one software in sales funnel creation. And email autoresponder, in order to build your list, you need an email autoresponder. So these softwares are required, and they offer a monthly subscription based affiliate program as well. So if you're using, you can use these products personally yourself and go ahead and promote as well. These are the two major products I used to promote, and recently my mentor has launched a new program called as Partner with Sebastian, where he is going to give you all the I mean, done for you sales funnels and email swipes, ads, and everything required for you in order to grow your business. And that program has a recurring and high ticket commissions as well. The program starts with a very low price, and as long as the person is paying, you're gonna make at least $48 per month commission on a recurring basis. If the person upgrades to any higher products, like, you're gonna still make a lot of commissions. So this program has a combination of both recurring and high ticket commission. If you're searching for a product that in order to promote, you can go ahead and check out, link in the description. And I'm sure, like, you will not regret the decision of going for this training, because the kind of education that is provided in this training is insane, and you will learn a lot. And this is not only an affiliate program where you build someone else's business. Here actually you get the chance to build your own list, and you're gonna you're gonna build your own business, you're gonna build your own personal brand. And also in the end, like, you're gonna promote, you're gonna get recurring commissions as well as high ticket commissions. So I hope you're getting an idea, like, why you should go for high ticket and recurring commissions based programs. I'm not saying like the others like one-time payments or any other stuff that doesn't work. They work absolutely fine, and even if they are working for you, just be with it. And also, I just wanted to give you a tip, like, make recurring and high ticket commission as your number one priority, because this is where you will actually grow your business. And I hope you got value from this video, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Also, be sure to check out the Partner with Sebastian program, and the value in that program is insane. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.